Welcome to the Box User Series. In this video, you'll learn how to find your files fast, as we cover some tips and tricks for navigating Box efficiently. Let's get started. When I log into Box, I land on my All Files page. This is like my Box homepage. From here, I can see all the files and folders I've been added to as a collaborator, as well as the files I've accessed most recently. I can click here to explore all the folders I have access to. At the top is my Box Navigation Center. Here's where I can see and manage all the tasks I've been assigned, as well as any notifications for the things I own or have been invited into. My navigation pane is always visible, no matter where I am in my Box account. From here, I can hop into my Recents tab. My navigation pane also shows me my collections. Collections come in handy when I want to categorize the content I'll be accessing most frequently into private groups or buckets to give myself easy access without needing to move the files themselves. I can favorite files or folders, add items to an existing collection, or even create a new collection with the item itself. Now, I can jump into my high priority content with ease. When I haven't added something to a collection and I can't find it anywhere, there's always the search bar. Box performs a full text search on everything I've been invited into as a collaborator. I'll use my search filters to narrow my search even more. I can even find what I'm looking for using my pre-made metadata templates to search for files and folders that have been assigned or tagged with other pieces of additional information. Once I apply those parameters, Box will find all of the content with metadata that includes the business partner name in Creo. From here, I can see all the other metadata applied to this folder. Metadata saves me time, energy, and still keeps my content secure. Now that you've learned the basics for finding your files fast, it's time to dive into your own account and start exploring. Ready to learn more? Visit the rest of the user video series.